Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here we are going to discuss so many things related to food technology. But before that, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. FoodConso is a small venture which helps industries in setting up food standards and also in new product development. So let's get into the topic. So, what is food technology or food science related to? It is the application of food science to the selection, preservation, processing, packaging, distribution, and use of safe food. Food scientists study food using the scientific knowledge to improve safety, production, and nutrition. They work in order to produce new flavors, foods, and products that will be popular with consumers. So, why food and its technology or science is most important? Let's check into it. First point, mandatory for all human consumption. Yes, food is an inevitable part of everyone's life. Hence, it is necessary to have someone who is working behind it for its improvisation. Also, in this busy world, we don't have time to follow the traditional cooking, so hence we need an improvised art of technology. Ready to cook and ready to eat products adds on value. Nutrition based healthy snacks are trending. So, how to develop yourself in the field? First, grab your graduation from a university or college. Then, choose your particular interest in the field of food technology and be specific in choosing the industry and get appointed. Start from the scratch and gain experience as well as knowledge and do some certificate courses side by side. If not, opt for higher education and be a pro in the field. How to choose your interest in the field? First, identify your interest in a subject or a topic which you think you are well versed in. Then, develop the skills or knowledge towards the particular interest. Attend webinars in secure institutes or research analysis in the specific field. Do some certificate courses to develop yourself and to gain knowledge. What is a certificate course? Certificate course will equip you with a comprehensive understanding of the field you are studying. This level of certification is more specialized and can improve your job opportunities. The duration of courses vary from 1 day to 5 days. Advanced certificate programs are career focused, where this helps prepare you for a specific job role. The duration of such courses will be full-time 1 year or part-time of 2 years. Now, let's peep into some certificate courses related to food safety management system. Basic level for initial stage are FoodTech, which has been provided by FSSI, which is a 1-day training program which provides you as a food safety supervisor certificate. Internal auditor training in HACCP ISO FSSC 22000. And once experienced, you can opt for the lead auditor training in the same. Other certificate courses include food quality control like GMP and GHP, GLP, lab technician courses like handling of instruments or for analysis of food, sensory courses for chocolate, tea and coffee, PG diploma courses through distance education, and other value-added courses. This will all help you in gaining extra knowledge. The approximate cost for certification courses include Rs 2,000 plus GST for FSSI provided courses. Internal or lead audit training courses may vary from Rs 20,000 to Rs 40,000. Others like GLP, GHP or GMP may be around Rs 10,000, and other distance education courses may differ based on the duration and the course. Now, let us see the institutes offering these certificate courses. For management related courses like internal or lead auditor courses or 4-stack courses, there are multiple companies providing in India like SGS, Co-Techna, B.Sc, Intertech, TUB, and more. Distance education courses in food can be obtained from Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. Sensory courses can be obtained from various universities across India. Now let's see the opportunities that are wide open for food technologists. You can be a food technologist, a quality control or quality assurance personnel, nutrition related personnel. You can be a professor if you complete your PG graduation, an R&D specialist, or you can be a specialist in new product development, a food scientist, a food safety consultant, food safety auditors, food inspectors, and many more. Now, let's see the roles played by these persons in an industry. As food technologist, you will handle quality reports like testing and other documentation. It may include online quality control or an analytical lab technician in any food industry. You may be managing overall quality management in the industry at basic level under the guidance of your head. You may be helping in product development analysis and other general activities related to the field. Quality assurance is product oriented like verification process. Quality control is end product oriented like validation process. QA generally means maintaining the documents, records and following any standard oriented is in place, whereas QC means testing, analyzing the samples day to day. Food technologists may play QA or QC roles combined or may play individually depending on the industry type or scale. In nutrition, there are various categories like sports nutritionist, clinical dietitian, certified nutrition specialist, public health nutritionist, food safety auditor, oncology nutritionist, nutritional therapist, personal nutritionist. You can choose any category under nutrition and can work as a specialist under the field. And if you don't want to enter into an industry or to become an industrialist and you like teaching, please opt for post-graduation. After post-graduation, opt for doctorate because nowadays the doctorate degree has become mandatory for teaching field. Any of the colleges or university in respect to food nutrition or technology or engineering. There are various specializations available too. And if you are a person with keen knowledge about research, please opt for R&D and NPD. R&D is the product innovation, analyzing the shelf life, developing the new product. In R&D, the deep research is done to develop the products. NPD is done once the R&D is done and developed as per analysis. Here the decision is taken and products are commercialized. Food scientists are people who specialized in the field of technology. They work in research and development sectors and analyze the study about the chemical changes taking place during each processing stages and storage stages. They play the role in R&D and NPD sectors also. To become a food safety consultant, first join a food consulting firm. Do some certificate courses to improvise and move on with your job. You will be analyzing different manufacturing industries and developing them with documentation process and implementing the same. You will be doing gap audits prior to the audits and guiding them with the certification process. You will also help them to improvise the hygiene set. You'll have all the allowances plus salary and incentives. To become food safety auditors, join any auditing firm with experience of minimum 5 years with a lead audit course training program. You will be auditing the firm with respect to any food certification specialized, submitting the reports directly to main certification team. You will give assurance to the certification team about the eligibility of the manufacturing units upon they will certify and issue the certification. You will also get the salary plus all the incentives. Now let's learn about some industry standards. What are food safety certification? Food safety certification is a third party verification that products, processes, or systems in the food supply chain meet accepted food safety standards. It is distinct from other systems of proof of conformity such as supplier declarations, laboratory test reports, or inspection body reports. Some of the food safety certifications are FSSI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, HACCP, ISO 22000, FSSC 22000, BRC, British Retail Consortium, IFS, International Food Standards, SQF, Organics, Trademark, UGMARC and BIS, USFDA, Halal, Vegan, and Kosher. Let's return to the job roles. Lab technician. You should do some lab operating certificate courses or trained in respective instrument handling. The nature of the job would be collecting the samples, analyzing the physical, chemical, and microbiological parameters. The lab person shall work as an online quality lab technician or microbiological lab technician. The course can be either related to chemistry, microbiology, or even food related course. The role of a production officer is to take over the production and be responsible in overviewing the daily production. They coordinate, plan, and direct the activity to the workers, plays a major role in processing of food and bringing out the safest products to the consumers. They also delivers the processed foods in packed form to the consumers. Manpower handling is a major constraint in this job. For becoming a technical taster in chocolate, tea, or coffee, you should do a tasting specialized courses in respective fields and become a professional tasters. To become a taster, you should have following skills. You should have a superior sense of taste. You should learn to speak taste and take a palate training, understand the ever-changing consumer, and never stop learning and developing your palate. Market research analyst gathers and analyzes data on consumers and competitors. Market research analysts study market conditions to examine potential sales of a product or service. They help companies understand what products people want, who will buy them, and at what price. Food inspectors and other regulatory affairs. FSSI conducts exam for food inspectors and we can opt the exams and get qualified as food inspectors. Food inspectors play a role over the states and central wise in analyzing the industries and its wellness. Also, you can write any regulatory exams like UPSC, bank exams or any state council exams and work in any government sectors. Now let's see the sectors where the opportunities are open. Food manufacturing industries, college, schools, hospitals, consulting firm, food and beverage units, storage or distribution units, packaging industry, research units, laboratories, food business management, food marketing firms, and state and government sectors. A glimpse about the pay scale in the field. Freshers get 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh per annum. Intermediate level positions may offer you 3 to 4 lakh per annum. Manager or higher level, depending upon your experience and knowledge, the salary may differ. Example, 4 lakh per annum to 8 lakh per annum and above. To reach this scale of higher level, there must be hard work, skills, and knowledge in the field as usual. All these provided pay scales are variable according to the industries. Now you're all set to choose your career. Choose wisely and have a great career, and all the best for your future endeavors. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. Thank you.